Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial, applied visual design on freeCodeCamp. And we're going to learn how to adjust the width of an element using the width property. So you can specify the width of an element using the width property in CSS. And the values can be given in relative length, such as EM, or absolute lengths, such as pixels, or as a percentage of its containing parent elements. And just so you know, pixels is also debatable if it's absolute or relative because this is on W3, but pixels is also relative to the viewing source as viewing device as well. So there's some relativity in pixels. But basically, we use the syntax where we just put the width and the units of measurements and how long you want the width to be. For this exercise, it wants you to add a width property to the entire card and set it to an absolute value of 245 pictures. Use the full card class to select the element. So we see here the full card class is the element we want. And now we just add the width, colon, 245 pixels. And as you can see, it changed. And that's all. Thank you.